Now we sell all these wonderful cars, don't we? Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini, Ferrari. And believe it or not, cars don't come much rarer than this behind me. It is a VW Arteon R shooting brake. That's a 4-wheel drive estate car, which is 320 brake horsepower, 2-litre petrol. This is an outstanding vehicle because, I mean, you just don't see them. There's hardly any for sale. It's 4-wheel drive, it's fast, it's in Lapzi Blue. It's a 23 plate on 16,000 miles with full VW service history. This is a great car. This is a car that's going to sell pretty quickly because I'm sure there'll be a customer out there waiting for this vehicle to get advertised on Auto Trader or one of our platforms. Now then, the colour's Lapzi Blue. It's got the 19-inch Estoril upgraded wheels, Blue Calipers. This is an R car. So if you imagine if you're watching this video, don't know what it is, imagine a Golf R. This is the Golf R. In the Arteon version, let's just say it's on steroids. It's got the practicality for a family, an unbelievably big boot, a really good look for the shooting brake, and it's got the spec Nappa Leather heated electric massage front seats, heated wheel, 360 camera, opening sunroof. This is a top car, it really is. It is just such a very rare car. 4.9 seconds 0 to 60. It's got the right spec. But then, if you look at this car from the back end, I love it. I love the shape of it. I think it's very unique. And yeah, let's just look in the boot because it's bloody massive. Assisted tailgate, look at the size of that boot. It is ginormous. So anyone who's got a family, you know, they want a different type of car which still performs. It's even got loads of space under there. This will do a lot of things for a lot of different customers. And it's not expensive. For me, it's not expensive at all. With 16,000 miles on, it's in a great order. Again, the leather in the back. Lots of space. Then if you look into the doors and look at the finishes of the ambient light, and it's just a cool car, this. Then inside, I'm going to jump in. So if you look at the seats, this is really important. So it's got full leather, ergo comfort seats, which is massage, fully electric. I've got a massage function on now. Thanks, Tom. He's put it on for me. Feels really nice. The steering wheel's heated. We've got full switchable cockpit. We've got Arteon R mode. So the car can go through the different drive modes off the steering wheel, adaptive cruise control. It's got a dash cam. This is really important because it's got the opening sunroof. And then if you come back inside, you can see we've got the camera system. So that's top view camera, rear view camera. So many cool features. Heated front seats, which is just here. Digital climate control. You've got different drive modes. You've got self-park, hill assist, electric park brake, cup holders. Just a beautiful example. And it's so rare, and we're going to sell it straight away. I know we are. So if you're watching this video and the car's still available when you call me, lucky you, get it bought. The right colour, the right look, the right wheels, the right spec. A rare car on the website now. I love it. I think a lot of other people will. Give me a call. Thanks for watching.